Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how I lifted my pit bike. It was easy and free. Now I've looked up lifts, like a little lift kit for a pit bike, and they're like $200 and something. And I didn't want to pay that much just to lift my bike. I'll show you right here. See that hole? That's the stock shock mount hole. Let's see what I done is right there. I drilled a hole through each side, and I just pulled the shock back and pushed it down and bolted it there. As you can see, it lifted it 4 or 5 inches, and the front's not really too much low. It helped a lot for riding smoother. Alright, hope you like this video. Alright, be sure to subscribe and have a nice day.